Hi.
Hey guys, it's Mark and Brooke, and we are back in Chelan. We just got here. It's about 5 o'clock in the evening. As you can see, our grass has grown really high. Probably kind of hard for you guys to see, but it's almost 2 feet in some parts. One thing about owning kind of an off-grid place is you're always coming back to something. So on this stay, we came back and we found a bunch of poop. I've scraped off a lot of it, but it was from up in these eaves, I think, or we have bats up there. We had some roof work done and they said we had bats, and there was a crack that I've since sucked in, but you can see there's one there. And I think they were just pooping out that crack onto our deck. So I went up there already and got things tightened up, so hopefully that stops. What we're going to do today is start sanding. It's already, like I said, it's 5 o'clock in the evening, so I'm just going to start tackling this wall. Let me set up a time lapse. Brooke's going to play on her bike. Charlie's going to enjoy the sun. And here you go. All right, folks, finally got it all sanded down. Check it out. Took 2.5 days, but it looks a lot better. We're gonna start staining. I got 5 gallons of the Sasco Capture log stain. This color is gonna be red cedar. I'm gonna try using a little pump sprayer to get the stain on the logs and then brush it in with a big fat brush. So let's see how this goes. Okay, here goes nothing. All right, here we go. I feel like I'm rushing into this, but since the last time we were here, when I sanded these ones, they've already gotten darker from the sun. So I want to get some stain on to start protecting the wood as soon as possible. So I'm just going to either spray 1 or 2 coats on. Let's see how this goes. I got a big old brush here to work it in, and then a small brush for little fine areas. This tip's not working. What a mess. Well, this sprayer's not spraying it on that well. I don't know. Maybe I'll just put it in a paint bucket and hand dip every time. It's gonna take a long time though. Okay, so the pump sprayer wasn't working, so I don't know if it was just the stain is too thick or what. So now we're just gonna try hand doing it and see how that goes. Probably gonna take a lot longer. Yeah, that's not terrible. Could go faster, but what are you gonna do? All right, guys, we did it. We got one whole side stained.
Yay! Good job, honey.
Oh, you want to be in the video?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
I don't have it.
All right, so we got this side. This side that's exposed to the sun all the time. So I just wanted to get one side coated with some stain so the logs don't start coloring differently with the sun. So we accomplished that. I think it looks pretty good.
Pretty good. Super rare.
Again, the color is Red Cedar by Sasco Capture Stain. Went on pretty good. Besides that sprayer, I don't know if it was just too thick, but it was just not coming out very good. So yeah, that's where we're gonna leave you today. I'm gonna be back in what, 2 weeks, I think?
Yes.
And the fun will continue. I don't know if I showed you guys, but here's the front. I'll show you a before picture, maybe right now. But yeah, it's looking like a new cabin.
I need you to do
All right, thanks for watching. We appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one.